Oh! Sorry. This is supposed to be. Okay, let's do this. I'm craving coconut or any like plain ice cream. And this is just how much? Like $6.50, but it's on promotion minus $120. Those are the things that I like. So with the price, it's okay. It's good actually. Hopefully, this is Magnolia. But this is good as well. Siguro lasa siyang buko salad sa Pilipinas. What the? Okay. Wow. It's so white. Like so white. Oh. It looks like fondant, like an icing, royal icing. Not fondant, royal icing. Mmm. It's so good. Oh my god. It's so good. You're approved. Ah, better than vanilla. Yeah, tastes like buko salad without everything. I hope they have this in the Philippines. Oh, it's so good. So I will do the mukbang of this Korean melon. See? Kita nyo to sa mga K-drama. Ito muna. Wait. So, ganyan siya. Okay, balatan natin. Lasang melon. Pero parang mas matamis na melon. Yum. Matamis siya. Hindi ko ma-describe. But mas matamis din sa melon sa Pinas. So good. I love this. Korean melon. Ito pa, imukbang din natin. Yellow nectarine. Okay, balatan natin. Lasang papaya. Crossbreed ng papaya at mangga. Yung yellow nectarine. Yum. Black plum. Maybe. I think this is black plum. Oh yeah, black plum. So ganyan siya. Tikman natin. Hindi ko mawari yung lasa niya. Masarap. Hindi ako pwedeng vlogger. Food vlogger. Basta masarap. Matamis na ewan. May buto siya. Mayabo. Pero hindi ko walang kalasang pruta. Yum. Let's try white peach. So, ganyan naman siya. Try natin. Mayabo. Hindi talaga pwedeng food vlogger. Ano bang lasa? Oh, parang bayabas. Yeah. Yeah. Parang bayabas. White peach. Pinakamasarap yung Korean melon. Sunod yung plum, black plum. And then yung yellow nectarine. And then the white peach. Ayun na. That's our fruit mukbang for today. Okay, mukbang din natin yung roller coaster. I have 3 flavors here na iba sa Pilipinas. Ito, Tom Yum. Yung iba, buksan natin siguro bukas. Isa-isa. This is Tom Yum. Oh. Amoy shrimp na sinigang. Amoy Tom Yum. Yeah. Yeah. Lasang Tom Yum. So good. Actually good. Okay, mukbang na din natin yung dalawa. Sweet and spicy naman. Okay, ayaw. Hindi ko mawari. Parang maalat na. Maalat lang siya. Hindi siya lasang sweet and spicy. So, Tom Yum, sweet and spicy. Tom Yum is better. I have the spicy chicken na try ko na din, pero wala tayo dito ngayon. Spicy chicken. Here's the last one. Barbecue. Yeah. Just a regular barbecue flavor chips. I still prefer the cheese one. So is the roller coaster available here in Singapore. Bye. Oh.